In this video, we'll see how to connect temperature sensor using Arduino board. So we'll select an Arduino board, place it in the workspace, a breadboard, then a temperature sensor. So here we take TMP36 temperature sensor. So in the temperature sensor, we have three legs. One is the power supply. The power supply leg should be connected to the 5 volts of the Arduino board. So it is connected to the 5 volts of the Arduino board. The ground should be connected to the ground of the Arduino board. So this is a analog temperature sensor. So we are connecting that to the A0 pin of Arduino board. So the circuit connection is done. Now we'll start with the coding part. We'll go to the code. Here we'll take text. So in the void setup, before the void setup, we are going to initialize a few variables. That is int Celsius, then int Fahrenheit. So we are declaring two variables, and in the void setup, we have to declare pin mode A0, the pin A0 as input. It is going to sense it. So we are going to declare that as input. Then we are going to display the serial, the temperature sensed in the serial monitor. So we'll begin the serial monitor with the data rate of 9600. So this is done. Now we are going to write the coding for sensing in the loop. So here we just write Celsius is equal to analog read of A0. So the sensed value will be in the variable Celsius. So we'll also have one more variable int cell. Here in the cell, we do a small calibration using map function. That is, the value that we have measured, we subtract it with 20. 20 is an offset, and we just take it in the range of 3 volts. Then Celsius minus the offset 20 into 3 volts. The temperature sensor will sense minimum 0, will give an output of minimum 0 volts to maximum 1023. So the output will be in the form of voltage. We have to convert that into temperature. For here, we have selected the ranges minus 40 degree to 125 degree. So we say that if it gives an output of 0 volts, you map it to minus 40. If it gives a range of 1023, that is a higher temperature, the maximum temperature of 5 volts, The value of 5 volts is changed here is 1023. So if it is given the maximum of 1023, then you change it as 125 degrees centigrade Celsius. That is what is the mapping that we do. So have we closed the bracket correctly? So this is closed here, it is closed here, and one more bracket we should include it here. Yes, done. So now we got the Celsius of the temperature. We have to convert that into Fahrenheit. So for that, we use the variable Fahren. So the formula to convert that into Fahrenheit is Celsius into 9. Then after that, we have to divide it with 5. Then we have to add 32 to it. This is a formula for converting Celsius into Fahrenheit. So this calculation is also done. So what is left is we have to print the values. Print of, let's first print Celsius, then serial dot print. Along with Celsius, we are going to print C. Then serial dot print of Fahren. So then we are going to also print F. So the coding part is done. So let's start the simulation. So now we will display the output. So it's done. We received the analog input. We did the map for calibration. Then the Celsius is converted into Fahrenheit. So serial, it's printed. The Celsius and the Fahrenheit of the temperature is printed with a delay of 1 second. Every 1 second, the temperature is sensed and it will get printed here in the serial monitor. So we'll start the simulation. So it is observed in the serial monitor that the temperature is displayed. We'll do a slight modification here. So there is a slider. So as we vary the slider, we could see that in the serial monitor, the value of the temperature changes. So the maximum is 125, 257 Fahrenheit. So let's move to this level where we were able to get minus degree. It is as we have given in the programming, the minimum is minus 40 degree. So as we vary the temperature, we were able to get the value here. So this is how a temperature sensor is connected to an Arduino board.